Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisette. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be using all the items that I got from boxycharm. This look, then please keep on watching and please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And let's begin. So I already have my foundation on, my contour on, and my brows. So let's jump right into the tutorial. So I'm going to begin with this eyeshadow palette from Pretty Vulgar. So immediately, since I already primed my lids, I'm going to be using this shade right here, which is the lightest shade on the palette. And I'm just going to be placing this all over my eyelid, and I'm using this ALAMAR Cosmetics. It doesn't have a name on it, so it's just a fluffier brush. So next, with the same brush, going right into this shade called Hide and Seek. And I'm just going to be applying it on my crease. Make sure you're tapping off the excess so you don't get any fallout on your foundation. Barely getting any fallout. So now I'm going to be dipping my brush into this shade right here, and it's called Flip Out. Up right there. And I'm just going to be placing it in my outer V. So next, I'm going to be using I Spy with this other brush that I got on my boxycharm, and I'm just going to go right into I Spy. So it's this shade right here, and I'm just going to be placing that on my eyelid. So just this portion of my eyelid here, it's like, and I'm gonna drag it to my inner corner. So this palette is very cool tone, and actually this is my first time trying out a cool tone palette, so it's kind of neat. I'm really liking how this eye look is turning out. Do you guys agree? Okay, so next I'm going to be going right into this shade right here on the same palette called Swoop, and I'm using another ALAMAR Cosmetics brush. This is a flat brush, and I'm going to use it to line my eye. So I'm just going to place this color near the lash line. So then I'm just going to use my finger to apply this shade right here called Clutch. And I'm just going to place this shade right in the center of my eye. So now I'm going to be going right back to Hide and Seek, which is the first shade that we use, and placing that all over my crease just to blend any hard edges. Going to go back right to and using this brush right here, and I'm just going to be using Flip Out, and I'm just going to place this shade in my lower lash line. I'm going to go ahead and use the same flat brush, and I'm just going to go right into Clutch, and I'm just going to place that for my inner corner. And I'm just going to drag it a little bit to my lower lash line. So I'm going to be applying the shade right here, Break Free. And I'm just going to apply it in my inner corner. Right, so now I'm going to be applying this eyeliner that I also got on my boxycharm box. This eyeliner dries super fast. This is from Butter London, so I recommend that you guys apply it like very fast because get the one that you want, because if you try to reapply it, it'll remove the current eyeliner or the current line that you made. I think I'm gonna apply this shade right here. What, I'm gonna drag it all the way. I'm just going to apply mascara now, and this is one by LANCOME and Maybelline falsies. I don't think I'm gonna apply lashes today, or falsies I should say. I'm going to deepen the eyes a little bit more. So I'm going to go right into lip out again. Place it in my outer V once more. Going back to hide and seek once more. Going to blend everything in once again. Applying some mascara for my lower lashes. For blush, I'm going to be using the Laura Geller. I'm just going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. This is such a beautiful blush. Lastly, for lips, I'm going to be using this by Hank&Henry. Feels really nice on the lips, I will say. I'm going to be using Break Free. I'm just going to use this fluffier brush, and I'm going to use it to highlight. Now down the center of my nose.